Introducing GReminders Sidebar. GReminders now has an extension for Chrome and Edge browsers called the Sidebar. Once installed, it's easy to open from the browser window. The Sidebar offers you quick access to GReminders scheduling features without opening up the GReminders app. Let's take a look at how it can help you schedule meetings with clients. In the Event Types window, you'll see all of your individual, group, or team event types set up in the GReminders app. To share a link to your main booking page, which allows your clients to choose an event type, select Copy Link at the top of the sidebar. If you want to control which event your client books with you, share the Copy link under a specific event type. For maximum control, share the Copy Single-Use link, and your clients will only be able to schedule a single time using the link you share with them. Finally, use the sidebar to schedule meetings for your clients. Just click the quick open link, and the booking calendar for a specific event is opened instantly. See the yellow stars? You can favorite event types that you use most and access them quickly under the starred menu. Click on Today to see today's events. We'll come back to this in a moment. Let's search for a colleague's event and make it a favorite. We'll now confirm it's been added to our Start Event Types, and there it is. A very powerful feature of the sidebar allows users to create one-off events on the fly. We can give the event a custom name, determine the length of the meeting. If we're scheduling this event for a colleague in the office, we can make the colleague the organizer. You can also make this a team event and include an internal participant to join you. Using the sidebar, you have the same location options you have when creating meetings inside the GReminders app. If you wish to make this a virtual meeting, your Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet link will be added automatically. There are even advanced settings that allow you to create a unique buffer for each meeting and associate it with a meeting type or category. Great when integrating with CRMs like Redtail and Wealthbox. Once you've indicated your choices, click Generate to create the meeting link. Now, just pull up your email client, create an email to the client you wish to meet with, and paste the link into your email. How simple is that? Let's take another look at today's calendar. This user had an initial consultation scheduled at 9:30 a.m. Using the sidebar, the meeting can be dispositioned as completed or marked as a no-show. If you've set up a follow-up notification to trigger based on how a meeting is dispositioned, you can take advantage of GReminders automation to get the prospective client back on the calendar. Let's take a closer look at the event in GReminders. See the follow-up message that's been triggered? It gives the client a link to use to reschedule the same type of event with the same individual. The GReminders sidebar is easy to use and will make scheduling with clients a breeze. To install in your browser, just go to your profile and select GR Sidebar. It takes just a minute or two to install. What are you waiting for? If you have any questions, just reach out to us for help.